Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and today what we are going to do is a cardio workout, which is a burpee series. So it's a high fat burning exercise. So we are going to do 55 burpees, and how we are going to do it is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you're just not going to do burpees. You're going to do some exercise along with it. So the burpee will be combining with certain cardio exercises. So it's mostly cardio, all right? So, and it's going to burn intense amount of fat and intense amount of calories as well. So let's start with this. We have 5 jumping jacks, which is the 4 jumping jacks, with the 5th one going as a jump and then go into a burpee. So that's what we're doing. It's an intense workout. So it's 10 in numbers with 4 jumping jacks. The 5th jumping jack is a jump and with a burpee. So it burns intense amount of calories and fat together. Exercise, the second exercise, guys can start. So it's high knees. So jump up and show the feet in front 4 times. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and then jump. The burpee goes down. It's an awesome workout. Okay. So in our burpee, we do release push-ups. So if you see doctor doing now, he goes down, takes off his hands, then starts off all over again. So he does release push-ups. So that's how it's done. So the third exercise, this time it's a squat jump. So you'll have to go all the way, half squat, jump up, and 4 times of that. The 5th time when you jump, you go into the burpee. Right? So that's the next. Guys, let's go. Yes. So you get rest only as much as you wait into the next set. So they're doing 8 numbers in this. The earlier was 9, now it's 8. What you're saying them do is 4 squat jumps. The 5th squat jump goes into the burpee. Padma, you're doing 4. Yeah, there's 5 squat jumps actually. The 5th one is when you go into the burpee. Okay? So 4 squat jumps and the 5th one is in the burpee. So again, release push-ups. So 8 in numbers. So that's what we're doing. The next exercise is 6 in numbers. Okay, it's switch lunges. So you're going to go in a lunge, switch your legs twice. That is counted as 1. 4 of those switches, and then into the jump and the burpee is what you're going to do. So, you know what I'm going to tell next, right? So subscribe, share, and like, and share it with your friends. Ask questions like you do. Alright guys, we have 2 versions of which is happening now. What doctor is doing is a tougher version. Okay, so you jump into a switch. Okay, lunges, that's actual switch lunges. So you're going to switch your lunge and then get into the burpee and go down, release push up and up. Okay, now what Padma is doing is an easier version of that, none easier. So you're going to a reverse lunge. Fully lunge backwards, counting 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and then jump, get into the lunge, and get into the burpee and go down. So that's how it is done. What you're watching is a burpee series. Burpee is one of those most hated workouts, but it's not actually to be hated. Okay, it's one of the easiest workout. We started at one point with Sumati, all these guys, doing it for 1 hour. Okay, this 55 burpees took about 45 minutes approximately. Now we completed in 20 minutes. We're going to post this burpee series. We're going to continue with an ab workout series, which we are not going to cover in this video, but we will be covering it in the next video. Now, burpee is a part of a small part of a heavy yoga exercise called Hanuman Dhand. We still use it in an akada. A lot of akadas in the north follow Hanuman Dhand, even in the south. We follow in calorie paita, we use Hanuman Dhand as a workout, and that is the prelude for all the martial arts, whether it be it calorie paita or kusti, and they do it in thousands. So we are doing nothing. So let's start doing at least 55. So 10, 9, 8, 5, 6, 5, oh sorry, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's it. The next one is going to be, so you're going to jump and turn and come back. Okay, so you're going to do 5 of that on either side. So jump 180, 5 jumps, and then the burpee. What you're watching them do is a jump 180. Jump 180 is just turn backwards, jumping. You have to spin in the air, not turn and jump. So when you jump, you spin. So use your core and turn your whole body. That's what you need to do. And post the jump, you do burpee. So this is 7 counts of that. So as the number goes down, the exercise gets tougher. Next exercise, okay, here's 5 in numbers, and you're going to do a squat jacks for the cardio and then get into the burpee. All right, so the squat jack is done like this, not the regular squat jacks which we used to do. So you're going to touch it heel and bump like that. Okay, every time you go 4 of that, then the burpee, and that's what we are going to do now. So you'll see the workout now. The squat jacks with the burpee. Okay, squat, touch your heel, jump, and then the burpee. So 4 times of that, then the burpee. All right, what you're seeing is how it goes into a cardio zone 5 at 174 beats, and it is an intense workout. So that's what is happening now. It's just burning up. We decided that this is going to be the last exercise, so we're going to merge everything. So 4, 3, 2, 1. That's 10 of those exercises. What we're going to do is get the burpee done. When you go down, you do a tuck, right? So you tuck your legs. We are going to do 4 extra of that. So 5 tucks totally, and the burpee. That's the next exercise. We're going to do 10 counts of that. That's the last exercise as well. So with that, we'll cover 55 burpees, all right, with the cardio session. So what we're seeing is one of the toughest workout of the series. It looks easy, but then it is not. Definitely not. So it burns your abs. Okay. So you go down on the floor, do 4 tucks, and then come into a burpee. It's an intense workout. You saw how it went into the zone 5 of the cardio, and that's how intense these workouts are. You need to do this. Like, share, and subscribe, and share it with your friends. and help them out. Ask questions and I'll be able to answer that much better for you. And anything you want to sort out as a rehab, we'll do it for you. Thank you.